Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I am here at the Ella train station in beautiful Sri Lanka. Today, we are about to embark on what's often called one of the most beautiful train rides in the world. We are just waiting to catch the train, and I am super excited to share this journey with you. Here, I have my parents joining with us. And my boyfriend too. He is very looking forward for the ride. And there is my father. Look around, it's a mix of more tourists than locals, all eager to experience the stunning views this ride has to offer. Here she comes. The train is called Podimanike. It means little maiden. I want to share some important tips on booking your train tickets. I will do that when we are on the move. We have good second-class reserved tickets, which means there is no rush to grab seats. And it's not too crowded. We have a sealed door. That means access is controlled, ensuring that only passengers with valid tickets for this section can enter. Here we got our seats now. Entire our trip in Sri Lanka, I had to explain him the importance of every places we visit and the history. I felt like I'm a tour guide with him. Except you can't do this with the tour guide, haha. I think we were the only locals in this compartment. Here we start the journey. Wow! Just look at this. The moment we have left the station, nature has put on a show for us. The lush tea estates, majestic mountains, it's absolutely stunning. While we soak in the beauty around us, I want to take this opportunity to share some essential tips and information about this incredible train ride. But before we dive into that, I would like to thank my tour guide friend Daminda for giving me all the information about this train ride. Now let's talk routes. You have several options to choose from for this scenic journey. Whether you are heading to Kandy, Nanu Oya or Badulla, you are in for a treat. I opted for the Ella to Nanu Oya route, since it's perfectly aligned with my travel plans. Booking your ticket is a key to ensuring a smooth ride. Head over to the official train reservation website in Sri Lanka, that's seatreservation.railway.government.lk. But here is the catch, you can't just book anytime. Tickets become available exactly 1 month before the travel date at 10 AM Sri Lankan time. And let me tell you, they sell out fast. Now, you might have heard about another train called the Odyssey, touted as the ultimate sightseeing train. Yes, it's true. That's an often sold out. But here's the thing, from what I have experienced, the view from the Podimanike are equally breathtaking. So if you miss out on Odyssey, don't feel bad, you are still in for an unforgettable journey. Here now we are passing one of the most beautiful train stations in Sri Lanka, Bundaravilla train station. We are also going to pass through the highest train station in Sri Lanka. That would be Pattipola. One of the coolest things about riding on Sri Lanka's train is the unique perspective you get when the train takes a curve. You can see both the front and back parts of the train simultaneously. Also, since you can have the windows opened, you can enjoy it to the fullest. Yup, here it is, the famous couple pose. It's become a tradition for many passengers on these trains. Just remember to hold on tight and stay safe. We managed to snag some Sri Lankan snacks from a seller who passed by our compartment. He is always in a good mood after a delicious snack. Enjoy the breathtaking view. That brings us to the end of another amazing video. If you're planning a trip to Sri Lanka and want an unforgettable experience, I can highly recommend my friend Daminda. His expertise and guidance have truly made my travel in Sri Lanka unforgettable. Thank you so much for watching and joining me on this journey through the beauty of Sri Lanka. If you have enjoyed this video and want to see more incredible adventures, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notification so you never miss an update. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and I will see you in the next video. Safe travels everyone. Bye.